Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Shero Outdoors episode. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. The wife and the kids wanted chickens, so now we have chickens. We bought us a fancy little chicken coop. That's what I'll be doing today, is building this thing. Even though the chickens can't go into it for another 5 weeks, we've got them in the garage right now. We got all hens because my wife wants the eggs. We've got 2 blacks and 2 reds. Good looking chicks. They make a lot of noise. But I'm thinking the chicken coop, here's the whole yard. Eric's out there playing. Out there somewhere. There he is. He's out there playing. We're gonna put it right over here. I got the double gate where my trailer comes in. The dog kennel, which is coming down. We're gonna actually move it to make it kind of a fenced in area where we're going to put all of our gardening stuff, all of our new vegetables that we got. We got a blueberry bush, some jalapenos, some cucumbers, stuff like that. But right over here is where we're going to put the chicken coop. So it's going to butt right up against the fence, and then that's all going to be open in the back. They can all scratch around in this yard wherever they want to. Sorry about the mess in the yard. I'm kind of redoing. My wife wanted the lights redone and stuff like that, so we're getting that done. But stay with us. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse on the GoPro. We're gonna go ahead and get the chicken coop built today, or get as much of it built today as possible. Like I said, they don't have to go into it for another 5 weeks, but I also have to run power from the porch all the way over to where the chicken coop's going to be, and then that way they can have their heat lamp and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get this sucker built. All right guys, so I got all the unboxing done, and it's quite a few parts, but I don't think it's going to be too terribly difficult. It's got everything labeled on it. If you guys are wanting to get this chicken coop, I'll tell you, I got it at Orscheln's. They have them at Tractor Supply too. I don't know if they have this same brand, but what I like about this brand here is the one that I was going to get at Tractor Supply was about $150 more, and I didn't need 8 to 10 chickens because I only got 4 of them. So at Orscheln's we found this one, 150 bucks. I think it was 175, 179 after taxes. Nice little chicken coop, and we're gonna get it put together. It's a good way to save money because this is for about 3 to 4 chickens, hens. It's got 2 nesting boxes and stuff like that, but I'll show you all that once it's done. So stick with me, we'll get this thing built. going on? We finished it. Eric and I finally finished the chicken coop. It didn't take us too long. It was probably maybe an hour, maybe a little over an hour, but it's been fun. This has been our first major project as father-son, I guess. He was pretty excited just to get in there and get a little action. So he was helping me with screws and stuff like that, but let's take a look inside this thing. So here's the outside of it. Nice little barn door. You can come on around the side of it here. There's Eric. And then these ends actually open up. Well, if you undo the latch, they have a security latch on them so that stuff can't get in there. But if you open this up, there's where the hens lay their golden goodness. And then you can latch this back down. Oh, maybe. Put that back on there. Then you can tell that they have a little chicken run under there so they can get up in there to nest. And then here's the little barn door that opens up so you can see inside. It's actually pretty spacious for what it is, for only 4 hens, and they're going to be able to run around and feed. And then of course you got the gate down here where you can run. You can just leave it open so they can go in and out of it. But that is our chicken coop. Like I said, it's nothing huge, nothing major impressive. I didn't personally have to build it, so that was nice. But it was a good father-son project. Got it done in a timely manner. We're gonna get it moved over to the side. The great part about it is the neighbors can't see it. And it'll work perfect for four little chickens. If we decide whenever we move that we want more, we can always build another one. But I'm telling you guys, this was a country style chicken coop by ZOOVILLA, Mary products. Easy build, easy build. Has all the pre-drilled holes. The instructions are dead on. I mean, absolutely no problem. I have to recommend it if you're only looking for a little urban homesteading adventure. That's the way to go. So Eric and I are going to get this chicken coop moved over, and I think we're probably going to close this video out here. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell. Don't forget it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.